Hello and welcome back, fans, as we get ready for tag team action here in Sportorium. The team of the premier players, Daron Smythe, Bennett.
And their opponents, for the current NWA East Tag champion, the co-running from 592 pounds,
Bison and Rapture, an unlikely team, capturing those tag titles from the team of Axelon Scott Venom, known as Vertical Limit, back in February 1st show, 2002. And something the matter, as Bison looking back up at the ramp. Opportunity for Venom and Dash to jump Bison. Something happened to Rapture. We can't quite tell from our angle, but we are going to stay focused on the action. There's a young Devin Vine calls for the bell, and Daron Smythe just starts nailing into Bison with punches and kicks. Tag is made. Dash is ready and serves it up hot. Right to the back of that forearm. Very punishing. This is what you absolutely need to do for a man the size of Bison. You need to stay on him, stay in control. Taking every advantage that he can in the corner. Maybe even a little too much, but you gotta work to an advantage as Daron Smythe takes advantage of the situation as it is. Dash has the left occupied. Suplex now. Well, suplex attempt as Bison blocks again. Showing the power that Bison has, able to work through the beating that he's endured and still able to pull out that suplex. Daron not allowing him to get any kind of breathing room. And Dash back on the attack. Did it look like he had something in his hand? It was hard to tell. On the ropes now. Irish whip reversal. Power slam. But Daron Smythe isn't having any of that. Gets a hold of him. And a kick below the belt, as it were. And Dash following up with a headbutt in the same general area. Way to focus on an area and stick to it to maximize damage. Not the area most people prefer, but they're sticking to him. It's working with that leg drop. Smythe up now. Beautiful leg drop. Gotta give it to him. That's certainly excellent execution. Now, modified lateral press there. Got Bison going everywhere. The ref is certainly not having any of it, but it's limited in the scope of his powers. More shots to the head. Working him into the corner now. Bison moves. Belly to belly. Look at that. The power of Bison. Able to perform even under such grueling conditions. You can't let him get anything. That's where that power and the size of him comes into. You gotta absolutely deliver. This is basically a handicap match at this point. It's been 2-on-1. But Bison can certainly beat the odds if he can just work past it. And who's he calling? Rapture's now made it to the ring and made it to his partner's corner. And he's hoping for the tag. Can Bison make it for the tag? Well, the real player's got their own tag. Off the ropes. Denied. And Bison does get the tag as Rapture comes in. He's ready to go. Misses and trips. And wow, that did not see that coming at all. And new tag team champions as they drag Bison back into the ring. Is this a betrayal by Rapture? No, it's Jimmy Angel. Jimmy Angel isn't Rapture. Oh, spear by Bison. Oh my goodness. Another double spear. Bison, and that's what I said. He's got the power. He's fired up now. Jimmy Angel just cost the tag team